In this video, I will quickly show you how to access the free educational resources on our platform. Once you've logged into your client dashboard, navigate to the menu and you will be able to see many education options. Here you have video courses with over 170 video modules, taking you from basic terminology all the way to advanced trading strategies. Next, you have ebooks if you prefer to read instead of watching videos. We also have economic calendars, which is pulled from MyFX book, where you can see all of the upcoming news in the financial markets. Under the Forex blogs option, our market research team publishes articles multiple times daily to keep you up to date with recent developments in the financial sector. Lastly, in the chart analysis videos section, you will find videos posted multiple times daily by our expert traders, giving you insights into the markets and potential trading setups. All of our education is provided free of charge, because at EPFX, we believe that every trader, new or experienced, always has something to learn and deserves to do so at no cost. Thanks for watching.